How can mathematical models and AI be used to improve biofuel sustainability? Let's learn how. Shalom, tell us a little bit more about who you are and what you do.
Yeah, I'm a third-year PhD candidate at the Sustainable Process Design Laboratory at the University of Florida, and I'm currently developing frameworks using mathematics, optimization models to identify biofuel production pathways and products that can be produced in a more cost-effective and sustainable manner.
So tell me a little bit more about how it works.
So, there are different biofuels that are currently existing, and biofuels are fuels that are made from biomass. So my task is to identify the most cost-effective and sustainable pathways in making these biofuels. So I developed a mathematical model, and with this mathematical model, we transform them into algebraic equations that are solved in an optimization tool. And the tool helps us to identify the pathway that is cost-effective and sustainable.
And why is this important?
This is very important because currently in the transportation sector, there is high demand for fuels, and as population increases and industrialization, people would tend to shift more to using fuels. Currently, the fuels that are used are fossil fuels, and we know it contributes a lot to carbon emissions. So biofuels is a sustainable alternative to the fossil fuels that are currently used. And with biofuels, you have the flexibility of also choosing the kind of blends that would be put into the systems. And we are not just only proposing biofuels that are existing, we are also identifying novel biofuels. So biofuels that have not been experimentally tested or used currently in the industry. And we write the cost range such that the fuels that are going to be selected either match or outperform the current fossil fuel solution. And within this opportunity of fuels that we have, we also have biomass compounds that have not been experimentally tested as biofuels. And this allows us to use machine learning. And with machine learning, we're able to predict the fuel properties of this novel biomass compounds that have never been used as fuels. So in the end, we're not just proposing fuels, but we're actually proposing new fuels that can outperform the current fossil fuels in the industry.